In the words of Bob Dylan, there was a movie I saw one time, and it starred Tom Hanks. It was about a man who was alone on an island with nothing to talk to but a soccer ball. Well, I'm alone a lot during the day in my gallery, my studio, and I come in the morning and the first thing I think about is the print that I just made on my 3D printer. And it came out wrong. The distance between the wheel and the chassis of the press was wrong. And so I set about changing the numbers. But my point is that all the time I'm doing this, I'm imagining something like that soccer ball. Except it's not a soccer ball, it's kids. Kids gathered around a 3D printer and a computer and an idea to make these little fidget presses to sell at a sidewalk fair for kids' businesses. It's called Kidpreneurs. I imagine these kids around discussing how to change that, how to make it right, how to make this model perfect so that when they sell it, everybody's happy. Yes, it's all imaginary. I'm not really around the kids. There's no Kidpreneur group in Seattle yet, but I hope so. I hope there will be. Like Tom Hanks, I hoped that I would be rescued someday from the solitude of working all alone on these ideas that I have, and that it will benefit kids, it will benefit their education in the STEM spirit: science, technology, engineering, reading and writing, arts and math. Actually, that's STREAM. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.